This video is about what is clean energy, its sources, and the advantages and disadvantages of this type of energy. Clean energy uses renewable sources to generate electricity. Solar, wind, geothermal, tidal, biomass, and hydraulic are examples of clean energy. Although clean energy is considered the best option, fossil fuels are currently the most used for energy generation. Examples of fossil fuels are petroleum and its derivatives, such as gasoline and diesel oil, coal, and natural gas, which were formed from the decomposition of living beings, animals, and/or vegetables throughout millions of years. The combustion process of these materials releases heat, causing the water to heat up and generating steam, which moves a turbine and produces electricity. These fuels are also used in thermoelectric power plants and automobiles that are powered by a combustion engine. However, these fossil fuels are not renewable and may run out in the future. Furthermore, environmental problems can be caused due to the emission of polluting gases in the combustion process that is released into the atmosphere. In the complete combustion process, these fuels produce carbon dioxide, which is considered to be one of the causes of the greenhouse effect. If incomplete burning occurs, carbon monoxide will be produced, which is also considered a greenhouse gas. Burning these fuels can release other impurities into the atmosphere, such as sulfur oxides. Carbon dioxide and sulfur oxides can react with rainwater, making it acidic, causing acid rain. The first option for clean energy is solar energy that is produced by the light and heat that comes from the sun. It can be photovoltaic solar energy when sunlight comes into contact with photovoltaic cells, with semiconductor materials, allowing the generation of electricity, or heliothermal solar energy, when the sun is used to heat the water and, in this case, panels or mirrors that collect and reflect sunlight are used. The heat is stored and heats the water into steam. The steam then drives turbines that power the thermal energy generators. The second option is wind energy that consists of transforming wind energy into useful energy. It can be used with wind turbines to produce electricity, sails to drive sailboats, or windmills to produce mechanical energy. Biomass energy is obtained from burning organic raw materials, but fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas are not included. The heat from burning organic materials is converted into energy. The term biomass considers only the most recent derivatives of living organisms and is renewable. Fossil fuels are formed from transformations of millions of years. As materials that can be used in this process of obtaining energy, we can mention the byproducts of agriculture and livestock, the biodegradable part of urban solid waste, firewood, sugarcane bagasse, used paper and cardboard, wood sawdust, tree branches and leaves, rice husks, sludge from sewage treatment plants. Biomass is also used to obtain fuels such as bio-oil, biogas, BTL, and biodiesel. The use of the gravitational potential of running water and waterfalls results in obtaining hydraulic energy. If it is used to obtain electricity, it is called hydroelectric energy. Tidal energy can also be used, and this type of energy utilizes the energy potential of the tidal gap. This unevenness must be at least 7 meters. To obtain the energy, dams, which allow the entry and exit of water, and energy-generating units are built. Dams, similar to hydroelectric plants, are built near the sea. Water is captured during high tide through dikes and is stored and released during low tide. The passage of water through turbines causes the generation of electrical energy. Another option is geothermal energy. Geo means earth and thermal corresponds to heat, therefore, geothermal is the heat energy that comes from the earth. By drilling the soil in places with the presence of steam and hot water, it can be drained to the earth's surface through pipes to obtain electrical energy. In a geothermal power plant, the turbine will rotate the blades of a turbine, and the energy produced is transformed into electrical energy through a generator. Some advantages of renewable energies are the fact that they can be considered inexhaustible. They have a lower environmental impact. The fact that they allow us to reduce carbon dioxide emissions, and improve the quality of life, with the reduction of air pollution, and reduce our society's energy dependence on fossil fuels. Some disadvantages of renewable energies are the necessity of high investment and infrastructure costs, negative visual impacts, soil erosion. In the case of hydroelectric energy, it depends a lot on the location. In the case of hydroelectric energy and tidal energy, the noise produced for wind energy, and intermittency of resources. Despite the term clean energy, the methods of generating energy from natural and renewable sources still cause impacts on the environment, even if they are minimal, but they do not interfere with pollution at a global level. The truth is that until today no way to produce energy without generating some environmental impact has been found. Would you like to see more videos about these technologies? Leave your comment and tell us which technology you would like to know more about.